Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this lovely Sonic Grey Civic SR 1 litre turbo. From a nice customer, we sold it from brand new as well. Really nice car. In this video I'll be walking around the car and wear and tear done by the previous owner. So to start off with, we got this automatic headlights. We do have bi-xenon projector headlamps, front and rear parking sensors along with the front fog lights. This is really nice. It's a nice color as well. Like I said, comes with 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which are nicely in black color. You got rear privacy glass with silver trim all around the car. It's really nice. Show you the interior. You do have cloth interior inside. The second alloy there. So yeah, it looks like on the left hand side it's been really looked after. On the rear we got this LED tail lamp along with your rear parking sensors and the reverse camera, which is just down there. I'll show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space. We do have storage under here as well if you want to put additional storage. So yeah, the seats do fold down. It's a 60/40 split setting along with this retractable partial shelf. There's partial shelf there as well. So yeah, really nice. As you can see, it's been really well looked after. Third alloy there. Yeah, that's the fourth one. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you inside the miles done by this car. Down here we got all 4 automatic windows as well, along with your wing mirror function, which do fold. So the car's done 49,451 miles, which is nothing on the Civic. Auto headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers. Do have multifunction steering wheel with lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. Down here we got your Bluetooth hands-free function along with the customization of the screen. It's down there. Down here we got lovely TFT screen. You do have sat nav as standard on this car. Alternately, you can just plug it down there along with the HDMI code there, and you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You do have DAB, FM, AM, and Bluetooth function, like I said. So you do have 6-speed manual gearbox. I'll show you the reverse camera. There we go, nice and clear with 3 modes. Really nice. Down here we got your parking electric brake, a brake hold, auto on and off, and ECON Mode. So yeah, so the car's here with us. We'll leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.